Over the past couple of years, I've become a bit enamored with older reproduction percussion revolvers, and today I have another one to look at. This one is another FIE import, and it's a brass frame copy of the Remington New Model Army. It has a date code of AA, which puts it at being made in 1975. Something somewhat unique about this is that not only does it still have its original box, it also has the original sales receipt as well. The sales receipt shows that it was sold and shipped for $47.45 on July 9th, 1974. What's interesting is that if you put that $47.45 1974 price into an inflation calculator, in today's money that works out to about $290, which is pretty much just about what Pietta sells their brass frame 1858 for today, give or take. But this revolver is not nearly as nicely made as a modern Pietta. The action on this can probably best be described as clunky, and you'll hear me complain about it a lot once we get to the range. Also, the finish on this is far inferior to the nicely polished brass and bluing you get from Pietta today. Okay, so there's a quick overview of it. Let's take it out to the range now and see how it shoots. Alright, this will just be a quick range test, just to put a few rounds through this, test it out, see how it goes. What I'll be using is a Hornady 454 round ball, 25 grains of GoX 3F black powder, and CCI number 11 percussion caps. And I'll be shooting at a steel plate. It's about 15 yards away. So we'll take a few shots and see what this will do. Come on. Trigger pull is very heavy and gritty. Not very smooth at all. Ugh, it's awful. Okay. Oops. Alright, the cap went off, but it didn't ignite the powder. I'm going to recap that and try that chamber again. Stand by. Alright, I'll try that one again. There we go. Alright. Take a look at that. Alright, so there's the group. I was aiming about here in this area, give or take. So it's hitting probably 6-7 inches high or so. So anyway, there's the group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 shots. Alright, I'm going to reload, try a few more. Alright, let's put a few more rounds through it. Oh, such a gritty action. Not very smooth. And I lost the cap there. Alright, gonna recap that. Try one more shot. There we go. We'll try one more. Try to get through one cylinder without a malfunction at least. There we go. So that's it, just a little look at a 1970s vintage reproduction revolver. The action on this got a little better the more I used it, but it's still not really very good compared to the revolvers you can get today from Pieta or Uberti. But even though this isn't exactly of the highest quality, it's still a fun gun to shoot. So that'll do it for today. Once again, thanks for watching, and please feel free to leave a comment.